Are we on?
Yes, we're on.
Okay. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah and today I have a special guest.
Special.
My hubby here. What's your name?
I'm Josh. She's trying to kidnap me here. trying to get away.
So, he's been wanting to know how to make an omelet so he can make his own breakfast in the morning. So, Today is the day to teach the man. What's wrong with you?
You're heavy lading me down.
Okay, fine. Today is the day to teach the man how to make an omelet. So, Are you ready for this?
I've tried it, and all I get is a splattered piece of egg and then some mushroom and stuff on top. So it didn't work out too well. So what do we got here?
Just for if you say why
is my phone ringing? Potential spam. Should I pick up? Probably should.
If you say, why are you not using cheese, or why are, there's some stuff we're not using today. So, we're not doing dairy right now, so don't judge us for not using cheese. We love cheese, so yeah. He's sad about that. Alright, let's get started. What you gonna do first?
Let's show you what we got here. So we got 2 eggs.
Some peppers and some mushrooms chopped up.
Yeah, this is an egg. Comes out of a chicken. Out of a chicken's behind. Back end of a chicken.
Yeah, and this is some gold.
Where did it come from?
That we found.
Yeah.
Out in the desert. I'm just
That's our retirement. We need to put that away. We can't use that. We're eating our retirement. Alright. Now we gotta do, I'm sure we gotta put butter in the pan. No, we can't use butter.
No butter, no dairy.
Man, this whole thing
you gotta do avocado oil.
Avocado oil.
So we're putting avocado oil in the pan.
How much? That much?
That's good.
Okay.
Just a little itty bitty titty ditty.
So that instead of butter.
Yeah, that instead of butter.
Butter.
Now what?
Probably the egg.
I'm not a very good teacher, huh? Because I'm asking the student, now what?
Yeah, I thought you were telling me what.
Now you put the peppers and the mushrooms in there and fry those up real good. Oh, it's not even hot.
Stuff flying all over the place. Mushrooms on the floor. Yeah, the pan wasn't hot enough.
It'll get hot. It's fine. Now you're going to put a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper on there. A little bit, I'm from the South, a little bit.
A pinch of salt or 2 pinches of salt?
Just a couple shakes, no pinch.
You're always talking about pinches.
That's true.
It's interesting. She's always here in the house cooking. Like, this woman cooks a lot. Like, all the time. And good food, too. That's why I'm not fat yet. But a little bit of pepper.
A little bit of pepper.
But it's kind of interesting when I edit her videos and I watch them. It's like...
Yeah. Credit to the edit. This man right here edits all my videos.
She says things, I'm like, I didn't know that. What, you do that? What? I didn't know idea. I had no idea. So I'm learning just from editing her videos. Alright.
Pretty neat.
That's a lot of peppers and mushrooms.
Now you're going to take this bowl.
Don't mushrooms make you high like a drug? Okay,
depends what kind of mushrooms you have, boy.
Cheyenne pepper.
Not that.
Okay.
That's cayenne pepper, by the way.
Cayenne pepper. It says CA. There's no H in there. I think I'm dyslexic.
Now you're going to take the bowl. You're going to take these 2 eggs and crack them in there. No. I'll grab your fork.
Want to hear a joke? If you hit an egg on the edge of a bowl, it'll crack up. See that eggshell in there? I had to take my time to make that joke up because I wasn't sure what it's going to be.
Here, I'll take.
I just wanted the crack up part to come out right.
Yeah.
Man, that cracks me up. What did the one egg say to the other? That cracked me up. There.
Alright, now you're going to put some salt, pepper, and some Cheyenne pepper.
Cheyenne pepper. I can still make it to Cheyenne.
Where did your salt go?
I don't know. I salted it and it ran away. And what happened to the egg? After it was cracked up, I salted it. How about that? And now we're gonna.
So, do you want to tell them what eggs are in Pennsylvania Dutch?
Oil. So first I crack them up, then I beat them up, and I salted them. This is not good practice. I'm gonna get arrested yet.
Peppers are paffles in Pennsylvania Dutch.
There it is. Oh, doesn't that look good? Oh man, I'm gonna have to dumb it to be able to see it.
And salt is sauce. Bless you.
Saw that thing. Felt it coming for a while.
It's from that pepper.
Yeah, the giant pepper.
Giant pepper. Alright, now you want to take this and you want to like make it, even it out nicely in the pan.
Okay.
I should be letting you do this, huh?
I'll show it on the camera.
Okay. Make it nice and flat, and then you just dump your eggs on there and then spread them out. And if you're using cheese, you can put some cheese on there, put like a handful of cheese on there before you put your eggs on. That'll make it really ooey gooey, yummy.
Ooey gooey. Okay.
Go for it.
Alright, you hold the camera. I'll dump it on. Just dump it right on there, huh? So that is how an omelet is made. I had no idea.
I mean, there's different ways of making it, obviously, but this is, you know, one of the easiest ways.
Ooh, that made her shut up.
Now you just sizzle that thing all up. Sizzle that thing all up. Interesting.
Sizzle it all up.
Interesting way of saying it.
How do I sizzle something up?
You gotta let it go so it
Oh,
can
I'll
cook.
let it go.
Okay.
Sorry. Is it ready yet?
I was trying to think of an Amish joke. What happens when an Amish man gets a cold? You know?
I don't know. What happens when an Amish man gets a cold?
Yeah.
I don't know.
He gets a little hoarse and then he gets a little boogie.
Get the little boogie. That's funny. I used to have a lot of Amish jokes, but don't know them anymore.
Don't know him anymore, huh?
That's a big omelet too. Do we have to flip it?
Now, oh, I know what would be really good in here.
What?
Once it's done, of course.
Ooh, avocado.
Put some avocado and
We love avocado.
yeah,
They're good.
for sure. If you're not doing
Ew. That thing looks
dairy,
brown.
yeah, this one might not be good anymore. Let me cut it off and see.
Not to be racist, but it's just too dark. So racist.
Dude, stop.
It's just a joke. Come on. Hey, that's looking really good. Let me show you. Well, where's the camera at? There it is. Looks good. Man, you smushed up that avocado before you even took it out of the skin. There it is. Doesn't look bad at all.
It was just the top of it always gets darker when you stick it in the fridge for a while.
Right, because it was already cut in half.
Yeah. So I just cut that off and now it's okay. Okay, now we're gonna use a fork.
Fork?
And that thing needs
That's
to
really
be
cool.
flipped.
Can I do
Flip
this?
it? Yeah, try it. Go for it.
There's no way. It's not quite ready yet.
I want to see you doing
Okay,
that.
you might want to just, yeah, okay. We're going to have to slow motion this one. Alright.
I've never done that, so if you can do it, kudos
Really?
to you.
Oh boy. We're about to make a mess here, boys. Hey! I kind of did it. It's now folded in half. Hey, that's how they're supposed to look like that. It's folded in half.
Oh my.
I'm so proud of myself.
Good job.
Uh-oh. It's broken. I'm breaking it up. Oh boy. We just broke up. Heartbroken.
You and your omelet broke up?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, I'm gonna smash this up. I'm gonna put some salt and pepper on it.
Destroying it.
Hey, you were supposed to have a nice omelet.
I know. Hey, all I care is that it looks good. Trying to continue that flip. Now I got it fold it in half, and there's some stuff in there that's not ready to eat yet.
Flip it over.
There we go.
This is what a deconstructed omelet looks like.
Chaos.
I'm sure it'll taste the same.
Oh yeah. I'm not like my 5-year-old, where the food has to look just right.
That's just a kid thing for you. It's
Yeah.
all good.
There we are. We about to have ourselves an omelet. Okay.
Alright. Here you go. Hold the pan. Hold the plate.
Made myself an omelet. So, we peppers, mushrooms, 2 eggs, obviously 1 egg or however big you want the omelet, and cayenne pepper, salt, black pepper, and then you could use cheese if you want to put, you know, that's probably normally would, but we're not eating dairy right now. And then avocado just gonna go with it. But that's the omelet. It'll be good. Thank you, honey. Good job making it.
Good job, honey. You did good flipping it.
Oh yeah.
So for everybody that's freaking out about the cayenne pepper, we know it's cayenne pepper. It's just the thing.
Did I say cayenne?
Yeah.
Oh, come on.
We know it's cayenne pepper if you're freaking out about it. So thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.
Yes, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye.